welcome back to my YouTube channel in Cebu. So finally we are going forward our room. So we enjoyed a lot by saying to them. They were dancing as well. They were playing many different kinds of instruments. Okay, so maybe we spent almost 1 hour or 2 hours. I think we spent it. So finally now we are going to visit our room. It means that by walking we will have to take more than 2 hours. No, 2 hours. Within half hours we will reach to our room. Okay, so it was very interesting, like who comes from Kerala, and I would like to say to you, just try to subscribe my channel. And I know that it's this time I'm unable to make it proper videos, vlogs as well, making sentences, but still I am trying to do it. I am trying to do myself better. But as I told you many times, that if you build behind me, you can say that there are a lot of people, they were discussing for going to somewhere, and I can say that they must be discussing related to this festival. Actually there is a very big church. In that church they want to go, they want to visit, according to me, as I am able to understand, because at this time today actually everyone they wants to go there in that church. So now right now you can see behind me the person, 2 persons are going right now, and it's, as I told you many times, that previous videos, that like it is the Kerala here. In this state you can't face any kinds of difficulties, as I am able to understand. Okay, so those are things I'm telling you right now. Okay, so as I told you that it's more than 2 hours we spent it over there. It was very crowd, and I have made it over that video, because see, while in crowd, I was standing in crowd, so at that time very difficult to speak as well, very difficult to make it vlog videos. Okay, but somehow I speak, somehow I made it a video over there. It was very tough moment for me. Okay, as well you must be getting that two policemen, they are standing. Actually they were given duty in this festival. Okay, there are 2 policemen. Okay, and apart from that, there are also 2 or 3 policemen are there. Okay, and till now also people, they are visiting that festival for enjoying this festival. Okay, so it was very great moment for me, and I think right now I can say that I can speak in front of anyone, but I'm understanding right now, because I have faced many times, several times I have made it vlog videos in public place. So I would like to show you. It is a shop, and if you want to check any kinds of proofs or want to check any kinds of whatever you want to have, so kindly visit the shopkeeper. And many times I have visited over there. Okay, it was very delicious. Good foods are getting over there. It is a hotel, and twice time I had over there. It is I most like parotha, which one we call in Malayalam language. It was that one is a very my favorite food in Kerala. So usually whenever I hang out with my friends, so usually with sometimes alone. So at that time, if I don't get anything, it's okay. But somehow, if I get any kinds of burger, okay, that person wanted to ask something, but that person told that sorry, I don't have much knowledge related to this language, like that he spoke. But yeah, if he asked me, so definitely I would tell to him something, okay, in English language, so like that. And उन्होंने आपको हम बता पे क्या इंग्लिश रोड पे चीज खानी है. देखो किताब में पढ़ा के तो बापे चीता से टीवी न्याल के सब वीडियो न्याल के तो कभी बापे चीज दरिया जैसे उनको मोबाइल साफ पे, क्योंकि मोबाइल में आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड can have mobile is your best friend. As much as possible try to utilize, try to make it vlog, try to record yourself videos. That's how you will be able to speak English. Because now see how I'm speaking right now, I know that at this time I'm not able to speak as I want to speak. Okay, but it is not enough for me. There are a lot of things I will have to prepare, I need to follow, I need to learn it, then only I will be able to speak much more. Okay, but yeah, still I am trying to do it myself better. And yeah, as I was telling, so आप लोग नहीं सीख पाएंगे, क्योंकि मैं ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ मैं कैसे मैं इस लैंग्वेज को सीखा हूँ. ये कितना कठिन है सिर्फ मुझे पता है, इसलिए आप लोगों को बोल रहे हैं कि जितना ज़्यादा हो सके, जितना समय हो सके, आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंक्लूड कर सके. जस्ट ट्राई टू इंक्लूड योरसेल्फ इन दिस लैंग्वेज, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक वेरी फ्लुएंटली. अदरवाइज यू कांट गेट इट. ओके, that's what I wanted to tell you, and many times I had told you, just try to make it vlog. blog, just try to make it videos in public place. If you want to get better communication skills, want to build confidence as well, want to get rid from your body fearness, okay, it is the best way to improve your communication English. And yeah, and previous time what I had told you on that video, I was telling that next time whenever I will visit in big market, so in that market I will try to have a session with anyone, like in crowd place. Sometime what is happening there, like very first time what is happening, so that time I was making blog like that, okay. So whenever I see that yeah, some person are coming from ahead side, some person they are studying, so at that time I was stopping recording videos, I was stopping vlogging, making videos. So like that I have done it several times. That after that I thought that why I will do like that when people come. So at that time I stopped the vlogging videos, making vlogging videos. I thought that no need to do like that. And yeah, what happened in any situation I will have to keep making vlogging videos like that, okay. So I done it several times, even now also I am doing. So that's why you are getting very different kinds of voice of mine, okay. So just try to understand what I'm telling, what I want to say you, okay. And if you are very dedication as well, very intelligent person, then only you can do it, then only you can get it my point, otherwise you can't get it, okay. So as I told you that whatever I have told you, just try to do it like that and do it follow, and then only you will be able to speak English. आप हम बता पाएगा ना, देखो अगर इंग्लिश पे मैंने निकालते थे वीडियो निकाल के तैसे इंस्टाग्राम रे रील्स निकाल के तैसे पढ़ा के तो बापे निकलता बगो, जब तक आपे बापे रोड़ा until unless you will try to make them your mouth speak, then only you can learn it, otherwise you can't learn it, okay. So अगर आप लोग इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते तो आपको रगड़ना पड़ेगा, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, आप बुलाओ अपने मुंह को, ओके, तब ओनली आप सीख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यू कांट लर्न इट इन लैंग्वेज, ओके. या एंड what right now what I'll say you, and chain mita pe ape joto gati ko agar hor ko pe nyale kan ka daag te channel subscribe tin pe ar nawa video guna thoda I check umta motivation ni mun pe anu ka ke video nyal tabun pe share tabun pe ar subscribe tabun pe, okay. And right now what I'll tell you, and thank you so much for visiting my channel, watching my videos. And if you are watching very first time my videos, so kindly hit the bell icon button. Whenever I upload videos, that time you will get it notification of my videos. Till now, bye bye, good night.